So I'm watching TV today and I see a commercial for a dietary supplement called Balance of Nature. You've probably seen this on TV. It's advertised a lot. Balance of Nature is one of these whole food supplement that contains the extracts of fruits and vegetables in a capsule form. So in this particular commercial, the woman who was being interviewed said something that caught my attention. She said that taking Balance of Nature is like eating your salad in 3 seconds. Is that really true? Well, I would push back and say it's not true because Balance of Nature, which may be a fine product, doesn't have the fiber that a salad has. And fiber is really important because it not only makes you go to the bathroom, but fiber is the food, the prebiotic of your healthy bacteria. Your healthy bacteria eat the fiber and then they give off compounds that help us stay healthy. So while Balance of Nature may be a fine product, my guess is that it's low in fiber, and because of that, it's not the same thing as eating a salad in 3 seconds. If you want to take Balance of Nature, that's perfectly fine. Just don't use it in place of fruits and vegetables.